Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Does CBD show up on drug tests for probation? The simple answer is no, but the real-world answer is extremely complicated and full of risk. Standard drug tests, especially the ones used for probation, are not designed to detect CBD. They are looking for THC, or more specifically, the metabolite your body creates after processing THC, which is the compound in marijuana that causes a high. This is where the danger comes in. The problem isn't the CBD itself, it's the THC that can be hiding in your CBD product. To understand this, you need to know about the three main types of CBD. First, you have full-spectrum CBD. This type contains all the compounds from the hemp plant, including a small, legally allowed amount of THC, up to 0.3%. While that sounds tiny, consistent use of a full-spectrum product can cause THC to build up in your body's fat cells over time, eventually reaching a level that could trigger a positive drug test. Second, there's broad-spectrum CBD. This is similar to full-spectrum, but it has gone through an extra process to remove the THC. This is safer, but not foolproof. Third, there is CBD isolate, which is supposed to be 99% pure CBD with no other plant compounds, and definitely no THC. On paper, isolate seems like the safest bet. However, the CBD industry in the United States is notoriously underregulated. This means the label on the bottle might not match what's actually inside. Cross-contamination can happen during manufacturing, meaning a product labeled THC-free could still have trace amounts of THC. Some companies are just dishonest. A major study a few years back found that a large percentage of commercially available CBD products were mislabeled, with some containing significantly more THC than advertised. When you're on probation, the stakes are as high as they get. A failed drug test could be considered a violation of your terms, which could lead to your probation being revoked and you being sent to jail. Your probation officer will not accept the excuse that the THC came from a legal CBD product. To them, a positive test for THC is a positive test, period. The source doesn't matter. So, while CBD itself won't make you fail a drug test, the potential for THC contamination in the product you're using makes it an unacceptable risk for anyone on probation. The only truly safe answer is to avoid all CBD products entirely until you have completed your probation. It is simply not worth risking your freedom over. Thank you so much for watching this important video. If you found this information helpful and want more straightforward